My name is Jason Thresher, and I'm going to apologize up front because I'm actually fighting off a cold, so that's why my voice sounds a little bit hoarse, and you may have trouble understanding some of what I'm saying, but I will try my best. But I'm definitely going to shorten my presentation a little bit. I will be talking about pinned applications, thumbnail previews, and the zapping box gadget. First off, how do you pin an application? Well, let's talk about a popular application, WordPad. WordPad is an application that is used very often. To pin this application, click Start, All Programs, and click the shortcut for that application. Or click on a desktop shortcut. You can have a direct icon of the application still available in the taskbar. Drag the application icon in the taskbar. The pin in the taskbar appears. The application WordPad is now in the taskbar. You can also simply right-click the shortcut on the Start menu, select Pin in the taskbar, and pin to taskbar. This is very convenient because you can pin the applications that you use the most often to the taskbar, and then whenever you need them, they're always there on the screen for you. This is exactly what I just said. Next thing I'm going to talk about is thumbnail previews in Windows 7 Explorer. This allows you to preview pictures and applications. There are a couple different ways to do this. Option 1 is through folder options. The way you do this is to first open folder options, click on the View tab, then go to Thumbnail Previews, enable or disable folder options. To turn off thumbnails, always check Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, then click OK. To turn on thumbnails, uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, then click OK. And please note that this option will only enable or disable thumbnails in the current user account, meaning that if other people use the computer under a different account name, they'll have to do it under theirs as well. If this option is not available in folder options, then you would need to enable either option 3 or 4 below. Another way to do this is through visual effects. Again, this option will only enable or disable thumbnails on the current user account. The first thing to do is open Visual Effects Settings and go to Thumbnail Previews, Enable or Disable. To turn them off, you uncheck Show Thumbnails instead of Icons and click OK. To turn them on, you check Show Thumbnails instead of Icons and then click OK. And last, I'm going to talk to you about Zapping Box. I'm sure you're probably asking what Zapping Box is, because until I had actually found it as my gadget for this project, I had never even heard of it. Zapping Box is an all-in-one video gadget for your desktop. You can watch internet videos, keep track of the newest and most popular content, and search for even more videos. When the next internet video sensation comes along, you'll be the first to know. So obviously it's a little bit like YouTube, but you can basically access it right from your desktop, which makes it pretty convenient without having to open your internet browser. And if you're wondering where you can download Zapping Box for free, it can be downloaded from the Windows Live Gallery at this website. And here's a little picture of what it looks like. Thank you for your time. And again, to recap, I talked about how to enable or disable thumbnail previews, how to pin applications, and the Zapping Box gadget. Thank you.